Hi everyone. What I felt is that the videos that I have uploaded earlier was related to the UPSC Geoscientist exam and the crisp notes that are related to the subjects. That content is somewhat exclusive to the people who are already enrolled in geology, but not to the common people who are there and who are not familiar to the subject. But I want to introduce the concepts and everything that is, related to it that would, help them to be aware and make this fun little subject because everyone should be aware of our surroundings and the place that we live in, that is our earth. So it's more of an awareness to you guys. I just want to let you know some basic things and some interesting things. What is geology? So basically it's an interdisciplinary subject and includes the mixture of everything that we have around us, like as of other subjects. It can be chemistry, it can be physics, it can be biology, it can be stats, it can be the computational thing. So it's a blend of everything. And talking about the basic nomenclature, geo means earth and logy means study. So we study earth. And it's not just about the rocks. Let me tell you, it's not just about the rocks that people think, okay, she is studying geology, so isn't it just rocks? No, it's not. There's a lot many things in it and lot many opportunities in it. So we'll talk about it. But really, so I've already told you what geology is. Scientific theories develop from hypotheses to that have been supported by many observation and experiment. Example, the theory of plate tectonics. And the scientific laws or principles explain phenomena such as gravity or in geology superposition. So what I want to say is that there are many scientific theories and laws or principles that have been developed. Scientific theories have been developed from the hypothesis, and they get supported by the observation and the experiments and the evidences, like the theory of plate tectonics, if we'll read about it, and the laws like superposition. So there's a law like gravity, and in geology there's a law like superposition. So there is a difference, and we'll know in detail. So what is the scientific method that we people do? So we probably carry out the scientific method more often than you think. So if you ever make any prediction, so then you have done science. Like if you have made the prediction, okay, this is something that is leading to this, so this will happen. So science is everywhere. So we use the pathway. So let me just show you the flow chart. So it's a research spine diagram. So first of all, we ask the questions. Okay, why this place has some garnet more in it, or some anomaly in it. So why that is you know something that is bit different, bit weird. So we do the background research. Okay, what happened there and how it was formed, and then we construct the hypothesis. Like, okay, so if this would have happened there, then it must be, giving these results, and that's why. So we have constructed the hypothesis. Then we test it with an experiment. We have made an experiment and then we test it. Then we analyze the result and we draw the conclusion. So if the hypothesis is true, so we have the results. If the hypothesis is true, then congratulations to you. But if the hypothesis is false or partially true, then we try again. Then we think about it again, and then we again construct the hypothesis till the hypothesis results are satisfactory. So this is how the research is carried out in geology, and this is how a research paper is made, and new things been added to the subject. So in this way, things happen. So I know that this is not something that you will get in one go, but I'm just telling you how research is done. I have many friends who are already enrolled in the research work, and some are abroad, and some are there in India in very well known research institutes. So I'll try to make contact with them, and they will help you know that how things are working and how they make things work for themselves, and how many interesting topics are there out in the world. So yeah, now we have the why geology, isn't it just rocks? So let me tell you, geology is not just rock. In energy sector, so in energy sector we have this petroleum geologist, geophysicist. So we have petrophysicist as well. So everything is related to energy. All energy companies that you see around yourself, whether it's Bharat Petroleum, whether it's ONGC, whether it's Hindustan Petroleum, whether it's Reliance. So all have this petrophysicists, geophysicists, petroleum geologists. Then we have for the water, we have hydrogeologists who work with the Ministry of Water and departments like Jal Shakti and etc. Mineral resources, we have the economic geologists who let us know where is the diamond, where is the gold, and where is the silver, as well as we have gemologists who study the gems. And now we have environmental science and geologist, hydrogeologist, geochemist, biogeochemist. We all are there in environmental sciences. In climate change, it's a very hot topic right now. So we have the geologist, geochemist, biogeochemist, geophysicist, atmospheric and climate scientists are the major one that we covered. And then the natural hazards that we have earthquakes, landslides, volcanoes, and floods. So seismologist, paleoseismologist, geochronologist, volcanologist, cryoseismologist, hydrogeologist. We all are there in the natural hazards thing. So in this way. Now we have the nanotechnology. So nanogeologists and nanobiogeochemists is a very growing, field that we have. And in oceanography, we have the hydrogeologist, geochemist, biogeochemist, and geomicrobiologist. And in alien life, suppose we are studying the Mars, not only the Earth. So we have the biogeochemist, like how biogeochemistry is there and at everything. And then we have the astrobiologist. So as for the astrobiologists, so we have the astrophysics and as well as the biology. So alien life is like that. Now we have the uniformitarianism. Present is the key to past. So here I'm just telling you the law. So we have this law in geology, like actualism, uniformitarianism. So we use our knowledge of geological, physical, chemical, and biological laws that we observe today. So to explain features that are formed in geological past. And fossils are puzzles. Like geologists are like forensic investigators, so we investigate the outcrop as though it's a crime, and we piece the puzzle together to know, to reconstruct the history of the event and what it's leading to. So this is how geology thing works. So it's a subject that is not conventional, but it's a blend of everything. So there is no escape from the physics, chemistry, biology, or stats or computational geology and whatever. So everything is a blend of it. And overall, it's a very creative subject, and we study a lot of things in it. And there's always a scope of learning because it's a subject that is totally based on observation around you, and you absorb things and then you use it for the purpose of different purposes. I've told you energy, water, minerals, or etc. So this video is a question to all of those people who are quite confused with the fact, okay, what you guys do, what is your subject, and what you've been learning and everything. So it's answer to all of that. I hope this video reaches to them so that they won't ask question to the people who are enrolled in geology and tell them, okay, what have been doing? I don't know what you've been doing for so many years. What is this subject, etc. type of questions. So with this, I'll end this video, and thank you for the support. And I hope that this channel reaches to those people who, studying geology as well as who are interested in geology. So thank you.